In this video, we're going to go over the Builderall script generator. What is up, guys and gals? If this is your first time to the channel, please hit the subscribe and bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos. And in today's video, we're going to be going over Builderall's very own script generator. And this is a really cool tool because all competitors are charging a lot more for this. And you get it included with Builderall's mega bundle of tools that they have included. So I'm really excited to show this one to you because it makes your copywriting and script writing so much easier. So without further ado, let's jump in. So the script generator is a tool to allow you to build scripts for your videos, for your sales pages, for any content, for webinars and all sorts of other content. So we're going to jump into the script generator. So we're now on the script generator dashboard, and I'm going to be honest with you, the first time you set this up, it's going to take some time, possibly an hour or so. When you first start out, you need to create an avatar. So if you don't know what an avatar is, it's basically a description of a person in your audience. So your avatar might be 30-year-old female who's interested in Facebook marketing, or it might be a 25-year-old male who's interested in fishing or hunting or something like that. So you can create your avatar. There's like 5 or 6 pages on creating your avatar, getting really detailed and specific, and then you can create your video sales letters and all your templates. So once you've created your avatar, you go into generate script and you can see all the different scripts that you get. You've got personal development, internet marketing, health, fitness, and loads of other stuff as well. So you just click on one. So I'm going to click on internet marketing. Then you've got your funnel scripts for putting in your funnels, your webinars, advertising, so sales letters. Then you have your video sales letters and even full email sequences. So once you've created your avatar, who your target audience is, then you can come in here and you can create your actual scripts for your sales. And just bear in mind that you should use these as guidelines and add your own stuff to them, because as awesome as the software is, it doesn't have a human touch. So when you go in, you should use these as a baseline for creating your own content. Because I think that's the hardest part, is actually getting those first few words out. So if you can use these as templates to create your own content, put your own flair into it. So really powerful tool for creating sales copy, which in my opinion is one of the hardest and also the most rewarding and most important part of your marketing strategy. So that was a brief overview of Builderall's script generator. I hope you found it useful, and I hope you're going to be using this to improve your copy, to give you a starting point, because the starting point is always the worst. Looking at a blank canvas and thinking, what do I write, is the hardest part, right? So the script generator can really help you get a good base point and a good place to start if you want to truly make it your own. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that thumbs up, hit the bell notification and the subscribe button to be notified of any of my new videos, and I'll see you again very soon in another video. Thanks for watching.